I'm Rory. I've been coming to Next Health for 2.5 years, since the company was pretty small, I guess. And I've seen it grow over the years, which has always been quite exciting to be part of something and just to see how successful it's become. I originally came here because I was starting to notice that I just wasn't performing the way that I had been. Every time I went skiing was like taking much longer. I was really exhausted and dehydrated. So I initially started coming for the IV infusions, and it made such a difference to my performance, and my health started getting back on track really very quickly. So I signed up for one of the monthly memberships, and I've been going ever since. Well, I think for me, the IVs here at Next Health have been the backbone of all my treatments here, and I see it as very much just like another self-care thing that I do. The environment here, especially at the Century City location with the massage chairs and the comfy sofas, you know, it's kind of like an escape actually. I also find them very relaxing. I think it's the magnesium in the IV infusions, they just like totally chill me out. So I can't imagine not doing it. And one of the things with the IV that I noticed, because I train so much, I go skiing a lot in the winter, is I find the extra hydration on the IVs always really benefits, so I know that I'm always hydrated. It's such a good, relaxing experience. I don't really relate it at all to those medical IVs. For me, it's just self-care, man. I was going through some digestive health issues, and so I thought the food sensitivity test was a good thing that I should do. And it was really eye-opening to see those results come back, not quite as terrifying as I thought they were going to be, which was good, so I didn't have to cut out thousands of my favorite foods. But you know, that in itself kick-started me taking my supplements more seriously, not just the IV infusions, but being able to sit down with people like Joe and Megan and have them really explain some areas I need to be careful of. That's been really helpful, and certainly something I'd never get from my regular general practitioner. I've also used the aesthetic services here at Next Health. Started with some Botox with Ross over in West Hollywood. He is an artist in his work. I guess I was quite nervous of Botox prior. I'd had it done a couple of times before and I wasn't really happy with the results, but the way that Ross does it, it's so natural and no one would notice, which I guess, well, they noticed the benefits. And that started me thinking more about, well, why am I using it Next Health Services? I'm doing the internal work, I might as well enjoy the external work as well. So that's when I started thinking about the PRP treatment, and I was getting to an age where I thought that was going to be beneficial. You know, Ross was so great at walking me through the different services and the results from previous patients as well. Seeing Ross's pictures and walking me through it, I was really convinced of the results, and I haven't regretted having that done at all. Recently, and I think the most significant of the treatments I've had here at Next Health, I enrolled in grad school a year ago, and as you would expect, it took a substantial toll on my physical and mental well-being in ways that maybe I wouldn't have normally noticed or taken so seriously. Because of my baseline test that I had done that I was due, Megan picked up on some really interesting and surprising results, such as my low testosterone. It seemed that the stress of grad school had knocked that down. So I enrolled on the testosterone optimization program, and it has been totally transformative. I mean, I never knew I could have that much of a turnaround, and also so quickly as well. And you know, just comparing one quarter to the next, it was all my grades were, you know, jumped, and I had so much more energy. I took more credits at school, and that continues now. I'm still on it and reaping the benefits. So, you know, and I never would have done anything like that had I not been a member here and heard about those services. So that has been, you know, so fantastic.